Alright, so this package claim is taking forever. And we got a budget rental car. They do not have fast pass here. So, fast break, I'm sorry. So Robert went to get into the budget line because as you can see, it's super crowded. Oh my God. Maybe flying on a Sunday was not a good idea. Everybody's going to Yellowstone like us. So yeah, that's the rental cars. That first line is Hertz. I don't know how bad the budget line is, but it's packed full of people, so I'm assuming it's very bad. All right, so as I'm waiting for luggage, I told you Bob got into the line. They actually did have fast break. So he got it right away, thank goodness, because that's the line. So the regular line, how budget? Are we gonna walk by it or? Yeah. So thank God they did have fast break. But can we go up here or we go down past it? So.
It's a second.
So, see this? This is why you want to get fast break. So yeah, he technically, so this is Hertz. So Hertz seems to have the longest line. This is budget. But where's there was nobody in it when you walked by it? So you did actually have to wait in line? You did have to wait in line?
I said I was the only one in the line.
Okay, perfect. So he did have to wait in line, but luckily when he walked up, there was no line. I just mentioned it, Robert, because I thought there was like the fast break kiosk thing. There wasn't. So yeah, he avoided that long line. Hertz was the one with the long line. Whew, that was crazy. So it did take a little bit longer, as you can see. The reason why it's so crowded is this airport is smaller compared to other airports. So it did take a little longer to get our luggage, but 5 minutes to get our rental car. We were lucked out. Those people are going to be waiting for hours. All right, this is our rental car. I'm just laughing because we are in Montana and we get a Florida license plate. We get a car. And I think I'm taller. I don't know that I've ever been taller than a vehicle before. All right, so I'm going to do a walkthrough just to see if there's any damage because we chose budget this time because they were the cheapest. Okay, I'm going to do a whole loop. Damage. Anyway, here's some dents right here. So we did budget because it was the cheapest. It was less than, I think it was like $189 for 4 days. And the front looks really good. And, you know, if you've watched my channel long enough, I've done lots of videos about budget. And the last time we rented budget, a couple months after we got back, they sent us sorry, my hand's in the view. They sent us a scammy letter that a cleaning fee of $450 because we returned the car damaged, and I called and we did not return the car. Like, not damaged, but it was like dirty on the inside. So they gave us a $450 excessive cleaning fee. And all right, so just some scuffs, but nothing major. Anyway, long story short, you gotta be careful with budget because as soon as I posted that video, a lot of people have commented on it that budget has sent the same letters to them. We did get the $450 fee waived. I called, I said there's no damage. The guy agreed with me and we did not pay the $450. I shouldn't say damage. I kept saying damage because I'm walking around looking for damage. It was an excessive cleaning fee on the inside. It was a Florida trip. They said there was excessive sand on the inside. There wasn't, and we're not used to such a small car.
Man, it's a clown car.
It is a clown car, but it was less than $200, so circus car. So we'll take it. We actually had a different rental car company up until 2 weeks ago, but Robert got a better deal through budget. So do you need your backpack, honey? You don't need, okay. Anyway, that's why we switched to budget because it's a better deal. And we only waited 5 minutes online. I mean, I've never had a problem with budget except for that letter, and technically they never charged me. But they did send a letter, and a lot of people are getting that letter, and I think that's wrong that budget's doing that. Like, I guess they expect you to return the car in mint condition, otherwise they're going to charge you a cleaning fee, which that's just ridiculous. So, but the inside looks really good. Looks good. Just small.
Trying to make room for things.
Yeah, it's a good thing we only have like 2 suitcases.
Man, it's cold here.
It is cold.
Holy crap, it's cold.
Alright, into the budget video. I know I was rambling earlier, but I was distracted trying to video the car. So anyway, I'll link below my budget scan video so you can understand what I'm talking about. So, usually when you pick up your rental car at the bigger airports, you have to like go through security where they check your license. They did not do that here. We got our car and left. There was no security to go through, no one to check our budget agreement. So that was pretty cool, very quick. So we were lucky. We got the car in less than 5 minutes. There were people that were definitely waiting more than 5 minutes. So we're at Bozeman Airport getting ready to return our budget rental car. Already filled up our gas tank. There's a gas station like very, very close. Cleaned out our car. Alright, it says budget level 2.
Different state plates here. It's weird.
Yeah, our car had Florida. He's got Texas. He's going to budget.
He's scared. Wait until he sees those big teeth. I guess they don't have the teeth here.
I don't understand.
I don't understand either.
Is this the return? I guess this is the return. Huh. Yeah, this is the return. And there's no one checking in the cars?
They're gonna have to.
Alright, so it's showing lights. So that's clean. That's clean. Showing how our car is completely clean. Clean. Yes, I got your phone. Clean. Alright, so there is a guy right here.
Yeah, he does talk to him.
Okay, perfect. So everything's good. Walking around the car, showing. Excuse me. Just doing a walk around. Alright, so they did have a guy scanning. One guy. So we just followed the line. It worked out. But I did a walkthrough real quick just because I don't trust them to not scam us again. So budget, you better not do us wrong this time.